everyone, today I would be sharing with you purple and silver glitter eye makeup look. If you are wearing a purple colored attire, then please give this eye makeup look a try. It's very quick and easy. In few steps you will be able to achieve it. If you are interested, then please continue watching this tutorial. I'm using this eyeshadow from palette Mass Jashne Shringa. This is purple. I'm packing this eyeshadow on my crease. Move the brush back and forth and in circular motion. I'm using Sigma E33 brush. Coat the same eyeshadow on your outer V. To intensify my outer V further, I would be using this eyeshadow. Intensify only your outer V. Slowly take it towards the crease, but make sure to keep the intensity greater on your outer V. Intensify your outer V the most. Any eye makeup look will look good if the intensity on your outer V is greatest. Next, I would be creating a half cut crease. I am cutting my crease line. Be very careful when you are cutting your crease line. After you cut your crease line, begin filling. Pull only the mid concealer towards the outer V to blend it with the outer V eyeshadow. Next, I am using this white eyeshadow on top of concealer. Push the outer V eyeshadow towards the white eyeshadow to blend it with the white eyeshadow. There should be no eyeshadow in the brush. Just push the outer V eyeshadow towards the white eyeshadow to blend it with the white eyeshadow. Next, I am using the silver glitter on top of white eyeshadow to give that glittery effect, to make it purple and silver glitter eye makeup. Cover whole of the white eyeshadow using this glitter. Next, I am creating winged eyeliner. I am using liquid eyeliner from inside. I am outlining my wing. This is very glossy, shiny and affordable eyeliner.
When you feel it's hopeless, when you think that you lost, oh, I will take your hand and we'll rise up from the dust. Oh, here we go.
Next, I would be creating pointed inner corner. Pointed inner corner shapes your eye. The sharper the pointed inner corner, the more beautiful your eye makeup will look. Be very careful here when you're pulling it downwards. After this, I would be applying kajal on my waterline. I'm using Color Bar Kajal. Link to this kajal is in the description box below. Next, I'm applying purple eyeshadow. This is the first eyeshadow, that which I applied on crease and outer V. There aren't much eyeshadows in this eye makeup tutorial. 1, 2 and 3, 4. There are max 4 eyeshadows that I have used to get this eye look. 3 matte and 1 glitter. And it's done. This is the final look. If you like this eye makeup look, then please consider subscribing my channel for more such tutorials. Thank you so much for watching this tutorial. Take care and bye.